Hello Bitbiters, welcome to Retro Recipes. In a recent video we went on an incredible journey together, hoping to recover footage from this Amiga 4000 that was used on the movie set of Apollo 13. Check it out after this video if you missed it. And although we didn't find Apollo 13, we did go from the farthest reaches of space to the depths of the ocean. But what we found didn't give us a sinking feeling.
Whoa, what is this?
We're gonna find it. It's f***ing Titanic!
Oh shit. Is this a model?
Yeah. This is from Titanic, dude.
Wow.
This is crazy. This is the PVR from Titanic when they did the motion control passes. I thought it was gonna be from Apollo 13. Okay, this is very, even way cooler than I thought it was.
Just incredible. It still hasn't sunk in.
Will it play back?
Yes, it will.
Oh my god. The Titanic.
Titanic.
And now here in this video, by popular demand, I'm presenting, again under the fair use law, the raw test footage video files straight from that Amiga's PAR card for historical and educational purposes, so they can be preserved for future generations to enjoy. As you watch the footage, just keep in mind, although it may look like they're repeating the same shot a few times, look more closely and you'll realise they're actually trying different things on the set.
Some of these are, obviously they're trying things out.
It's kind of a fascinating insight into how they made Titanic. Also keep in mind, it wasn't shot in amazing quality because it was filmed through the viewfinder of the real film camera, just so they could quickly review what the film camera was capturing on the set. I should also mention that none of these projects or rescues would be possible without my Patreons or without PCBWay! Just as the Amiga 4000 was the Rolls-Royce of Commodores, PCBWay make the Rolls-Royce of circuit boards. And as we all know, PCBWay stands for Perifractic's Commodore Boats Wet. Ah yes, doesn't it? Well, that's all from me, your friendly anchor. Sorry. And now I'll leave you to sit back and enjoy this little journey back in time into movie history and to half a league under the sea. After all,
only Amiga makes it possible.
And that, my friends, is all we found, filling up 3/4 of that 1 GB hard disk. I'll be back soon with more retro fun and games. Until then, subscribe below. I'll never let go. But cheerio.